Good morning and namaskar. I am Gagan Kapoor and I am a marketing consultant at Go for Growth Consulting. I help business owners differentiate themselves by various strategies of marketing so that they can move ahead of the competition and take a step forward to their business growth. One of the biggest challenges I'm going to discuss today is about capturing the leads. Many of the business owners do not really have a well-defined lead capturing mechanism, and due to this, all the leads which they gather from various sources of marketing, whether it is email marketing or social media marketing or any other channel which they see, even when they go to exhibitions or trade shows, or they get a referral for that matter, they do not really capture these leads, and as a result, they lose these leads sometime later, a few months later or a few weeks later, and then what happens? All the efforts, every single money spent in gathering those leads goes for a waste. Now, this is not what we are here for. This is not what we want. But there is just one solution which can change all of this. And that solution, my dear friends, is actually simple. Capture first. Yes, a simple technique, a simple habit that whenever you receive any lead from any of the sources, all what you have to do is to capture that lead in a well-defined system. It's to capture that lead in a simple system like an Excel sheet or any of the CRM tools which come, right? Just capture it there first and then go ahead talking to that person. It really helps. It really binds all the leads together. Now, there are many simple CRM tools which are available in the market which we can use. I can name a few for you. Something like, for SMEs if I talk about, something like Begin from Zoho or HubSpot or Lead Square, right? Or if you want to scale up, or for bigger companies, Zoho CRM itself has a very big tool, and along with that, Salesforce for that matter, Insightly, there are many tools which are available. But the point is not which tool to use at this point of time. The point is that you need to bring in a habit to capture those leads so that you never ever lose out on the efforts which you have done to gather these leads in first place. And I would request to your team also, put them into this habit on capturing those leads into one single place. Let me tell you, if you do this, if you take this step forward, I can guarantee you that if I were to ask you 5 years later that what lead you collected today, with super confidence you will be able to show me that lead. And not only that, I would also recommend that add some comments next to that lead so that every time you are following up with them, you know what was the last context of that lead regarding that lead. So this is one tip. As I said, repeating again, capture first, put a habit of capturing every single data first and then speaking to them. With this was my tip for today, and come back to my channel for more such tips on how to really do effective marketing and how to close better business. I am Gagan Kapoor and I'm a marketing consultant at Go for Growth Consulting. Thank you so much.